To reconcile WorldPay setup, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure accurate and efficient processing of transactions. First, understand the basics of WorldPay and its functionality in your business. WorldPay is a payment processing system that enables businesses to accept payments online and offline. The reconciliation process involves comparing your WorldPay transactions with your bank statements. To ensure they match, start by logging into your WorldPay account and navigating to the transaction history section. Here you can view all your transactions, including payments and refunds. Next, compare the transactions in your WorldPay account with your bank statements. Check the dates, amounts, and types of transactions to ensure they match. If there are any discrepancies, investigate and resolve them as soon as possible. It is essential to regularly review and reconcile your WorldPay transactions to prevent errors and detect any potential fraud. You can also set up automatic reconciliation in your WorldPay account to make the process easier and more efficient. Best practices for reconciling WorldPay setup include regularly reviewing and reconciling transactions, investigating and resolving discrepancies promptly, and keeping accurate records of all transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure accurate and efficient processing of transactions and maintain a healthy and secure payment system. In addition to regular reconciliation, it is also important to monitor your WorldPay account for any suspicious activity and to keep your account information up to date. This includes ensuring your bank account details are correct and your payment processing limits are set appropriately. By following these steps and maintaining good accounting practices, you can effectively reconcile your WorldPay setup and ensure your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular reconciliation helps to prevent errors, detect fraud, and maintain a secure payment system, which is essential for any business that accepts payments online or offline.